Hey guys, welcome back to Rockford YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing Walmart deals to share with you. Got a bunch of these to show you, and then we'll end the video with some Amazon deals. For the Walmart deals, we'll use the YouTube shopping links. You'll see those boxes popping up here, there, and everywhere throughout the video. The Amazon deals will all be in the description, linked down below. So the first thing I gotta show you, I love this thing. This is so amazing. The Lawnmower Lift Jack, 882-pound capacity for tractors and zero-turn lawnmowers. It says normally $270 down to $69.99, and I do believe it comes with free shipping, so that's amazing. Look at this thing. Look at that. That is so, and look, they got a drill. They got a drill lifting it. Look at this. I love this. This is an amazing idea. Look at that. That is so good. Oh, you can hand crank it, but that sucks. Don't hand crank it. Do the drill thing. Where's the drill? Alright, I guess we only get a cartoon graphic for the drill. Anyway, that is sweet. For $69.99 and free shipping, must buy if you have a riding lawnmower. Next up, we have the car battery charger, 12 volt, 6 amp, smart battery, trickle charger, Dick Trickle. Maintainer, desulfator, temperature compensation. Boy, you always need some compensation. Normally $49.99 down to $17.45. Now, for most of these, I'm not sure when you get free shipping. I don't know, because a lot of this is pro seller stuff, and I don't know if that $35 rule counts for the pro sellers. I also don't know if Walmart Plus members get free shipping on all orders when it's a pro seller, so maybe someone can fill me in on that if you know, but I don't damn know. What I do know is we have 487 ratings and 4.6 out of 5 stars, which is pretty amazing. As spring comes around, the winter toys are going to need battery chargers as we break out the spring and summer stuff, so $17.45 on our charger. Next up, we got a little rechargeable flashlight. It says it's 10 million, whatever number that is, 100,000. High lumens. Of course, they're always liars about the lumens, but that's okay. We can't hate them on that. USB rechargeable, powerful, waterproof, super very bright flashlight. Normally $26 down to just $11.97. So it does come with your rechargeable battery. And you know what? It's cheap enough. It's not going to break the bank. So if you lose it, you break it. You don't got to worry about it. Look at 1,000 ratings on that one. That's pretty good too. Also, I don't know how long these prices are lasting. Obviously, you're looking at it right now. Right now, it is about midnight. So on the 10th, going into the 11th. And that's what the prices are right now. Here we have the Realtree Edge men's lightweight hunting touchscreen gloves. Normally $12.38 down to just $3.82. Now that is for the mediums. And the large, extra larges are just a little bit more at $4.51. But both sizes are discounted. Get your little camo Realtree gloves. I like the touchscreen ones because it's a pain in the ass. Always have to take your gloves off every time you have to pick up your phone. Every time the damn thing dings, you gotta look at your phone and then, oh, I gotta reply to that. Take my glove off, you know. I got time for that. Give me them touchscreen gloves. Here we have a kitchen faucet with the pull-down sprayer. I really like those, where it just like comes apart right here and it's just a sprayer all built into one. That's so much better than that dumbass way we used to do it with the separate sprayer off to the side. Single handle kitchen faucet with deck plate. Gotta have a good deck plate. Brushed nickel stainless steel. Make up your mind. Commercial modern RV kitchen. Okay, so normally $89.99 down to $24.99. You see, there's a couple of different options here. There's this waterfall faucet. But $24.99. You know what's crazy? If you go to like Home Depot or something and look at kitchen faucets, they are so damn expensive. I bought mine, looks almost identical to this one, on Amazon, and only paid 20-something bucks. Like this one's discounted. I've had it for 3 or 4 years. Never a problem. Not a single problem. And I paid like a fourth of what I would have had to pay at Home Depot. Sometimes it's just worth getting this stuff. Look at it. Lots of reviews, lots of ratings, whatever the hell they call them. I like it. Hey, stop doing that to me. Next up, we got a Duo Migo 8-in-1 USB-C hub splitter, 4 USB ports, 1 USB-C, blah, 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 has all the stuff. Normally $60, which is a little high, but these things are expensive. Like I would expect maybe $30 to $40, depending on what exactly you get in one of these. So $884 is a really good price. I just don't think 60 is. Um, but if you don't have one of these, especially these can plug into your cell phone if you use the USB-C. They can plug into like a laptop or whatever. We have a card reader for both the full SD cards and micro SD cards. We have the regular USB ports. We have the USB-C port. You have another port on the end here. You can see, especially like laptops nowadays, like this laptop I'm on, it has one USB port. If I need to use it for the mouse or something, now what? I gotta unplug my mouse so I can plug in a flash drive or something. Total pain in the ass. And I do like the little attached. Whoops. Give me back to that picture. The little attached USB. So depending on what device you have, you can use either type. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. I was just hovering over the wrong thing. Really nice. It's really nice. Bluetooth portable speaker. It's waterproof. Bluetooth 5.0, 12-hour playtime. It's in black. Normally $70. Now this is another one. 70 is ridiculous for this. This is a, depending on how good it is, $20 to $35 speaker. But right now it's on sale for $11.29, so that's still really good. I love me a Bluetooth speaker. I got so many of them now. Remember the Bob Tot ones? Who remembers the Bob Tot ones from like a year ago? We got such good deals on those. That hasn't come back. That was amazing. Hanes Men's Original French Terry, better than that Italian Terry. Athletic shorts, 9-inch inseam, size is small through blah blah, was 26 down to just $6. Now you can see there's different color. I would find what size you need. Like right now in stock on this one is large, extra large, and 2 extra large. So that's gonna work for most people. But we have 2 different colors here that are at 6. Find your size first and then see what's in stock for your size. There you go. There you go. Wait. I'm looking at the chest size for shorts. You gotta go farther over in the chart. That's funny though. Now this one, okay, it's totally out of my realm. I don't really know if this is a great deal, but I feel like I've seen cat stuff before, and it's always been very expensive, and this looks pretty intricate for the price. So if you have a cat, well, first I would recommend get a dog instead. Just like open up the screen door and let the cat go bye-bye. But if, you probably don't want to listen to me on that. So if you're going to have the cat, maybe treat it to one of these cool-ass jungle gym looking things. So this is the 54-inch Cat Tree Tower Scratch Post Condo. It says normally $95 down to $36.97, and you're going to get free shipping on that. I'm assuming you got to put that together. I don't know. It looks really cool, doesn't it? And they got a larger one for $55.97. Looks like we even have different colors. We can go with the pink one. That would look good. Now this is kind of in the same vein because this is totally out of my wheelhouse on value. It says it is largely discounted. Wow. 5 foot by 4 foot hitting thickened artificial turf practice golf mat outdoor indoor. Normally 280 down to 70.19 and free shipping. So it looks like a good deal. I mean, to me, it looks like a pee pad for the dog. That might be good for Scooter. Give him a little pee pad. Roll it all up, put it in the trunk. So I don't know. Someone can let me know. Is that actually a good deal, or am I getting buffaloed by this price? So those are the Walmart deals. Now, let me show you some of these amazing Amazon deals. First up for our Amazon deals, we have the Seed Starter Tray, dual purpose handles for transplanting and labeling, 9 deep, extra thick, well, just like we like it, 9 deep and extra thick. Reusable germination kit by Green Bazaar. It is 50% off, so you know what, spring's coming up. We're planting our seeds, we're getting them gardens going. And this looks like a handy-dandy way to get some started for you. $24.99, but then 50% off. That's supposed to go through May the 4th be with you. And so it's going to be, we'll see if it actually lasts that long. It's almost a month away. You guys know that promo codes tend to be killed early without warning. So if you see something you like, you buy it now. You don't wait till later. But $12.50 on the Green Bazaar seed starters. 2-piece replacement battery. This is such an amazing deal. For Makita batteries, they're 5 amp hour, compatible with the Makita 18 volt tools. The brand is Next Win, which I haven't seen before, so I don't know much about that. But they're 60% off. So look at that. You're getting 2 5 amp hour batteries. The starting price was $40, but then we have a 40% promo code and a 20% coupon. At least both of those were available at the time. I know the promo code for sure is still going on. But you take 60% off that, you're under $20 for 2 5 amp hour batteries. That's stupid cheap. And then the link here had a bunch of different options. It had different color batteries if you want a different color for some reason. And I think and they had another size that I think was 2 amp hour battery. So but it was all Makita. So if you're in Makita's lineup, that's cheap. That's worth a poke and a hope. Keep your fingers crossed. Dash cam, 4K front dash cam with a 64 gigabyte card, 1.47 inch screen, Wi-Fi, night vision, loop recording by Sue Purnery. 30% off. I actually like this style better. The super skinny ones are ones that don't even have a screen, or if you can at least turn the screen off. Because once you have the camera set up, I'm looking out the windshield. I don't need to see the damn screen. If anything, it's just kind of an annoyance, and it's in my field of view. Usually when I set up my dash cams, I try and set it up so the screen's actually hidden behind my rear view mirror so I can't see it when I'm driving. But when they connect to an app like this one, it makes it super easy to get it all set up, aim just like you like it, and then you just leave it alone. You never have to move it again anyway. So $59.99, but we have a 30% promo code. Not sure when that expires. Again, all these were posted today and are working right now. ThinkCar OBD2 scanner, ThinkScan Plus S7 does all the things. 5 special service options, covers 94 car brands. It's a code reader. Look at that thing. That is impressive looking. $219.95, but we have a $40 coupon and a 25% promo code. Those do stack. So we're taking, let's see, 50, it's like $100 off. It's close to $100 off. With our OBD2 scanner, we're going to pick up a new torque wrench. 1/2-inch drive, 72 tooth by Suzumi. Goes up to 170 foot-pounds. I like that it's got the high contrast numbers. If we had a better picture, you'd be able to see that. $33.58, which isn't a bad price, but then we have a 40% promo code. Close to $20 for a new torque wrench. 11-piece right angle screwdriver, 1/4-inch mini ratchet wrench, close quarters pocket screwdriver by Molework is 30% off. These can come in super handy, especially in tight areas or something where maybe you got a Phillips that's camming out and you can lean on this one a little bit to keep it jammed in there. Comes with the socket rail or bit rail. $11.99, 30% off, so about $3-4 off of that sucker. Propane torch, weed burner, high output, 1.8 million BTU. Okay. Flamethrower kit with a 10-foot hose, self-lighter, which is actually kind of nice. Some of those you have to light separately, but having a little igniter on it's a nice touch. Blowtorch by Work Bless, and it's 50% off. Look at that. That is so cool. Burn some weeds, melt some snow, do some roofing. $50, 50% off. Now, here's the thing. They don't stack, but there is both a 50% coupon and a 50% promo code. So if the coupon's gone, try the code. If the code doesn't work, try the coupon. $24.99. 63-piece magnetic ratcheting screwdriver bit set, multi-bit screwdriver bits. This is by Molework again, and it is 40% off. Getting all the rails, the ratcheting screwdriver. You get that's a little magnetizer, demagnetizer. So you just pass it through the hole like you've been there before, and that'll magnetize it. And if you scrape it on the sidewall, that will demagnetize it. $29.97, 40% off of that guy. This is a really great one too if you're in the DeWalt lineup. Cordless leaf blower for DeWalt 20-volt max batteries. Batteries not included. Need your own battery. Electric leaf blower by Wave. Now check this out. See, that looks good, right? Just throw a DeWalt battery on that. You're going to town. You got your blower. It's $69.99, but we have a Prime member discount, and right now, Prime members only pay $29.99. $30 leaf blower. I know. It's definitely worth picking up. Here we have a 200-watt power inverter, again for your DeWalt 20-volt batteries. This is by Live Walney. You guys have seen them several times in the past on the channel. It's 50% off. Even comes with a little built-in LED light. You get the AC outlet. You get some regular USB-As. And that's looking like a USB-C right there. Yes, it is. One Type-C. So, 200-watt. Started out at $38.99. We have a 50% promo code that's supposed to go through the 13th. So under $20, you're getting the light and the inverter. So that's it, guys. All of the Walmart and Amazon deals. Let me know if you want to have more Walmart deals in the future because we can pay a little bit more attention to Walmart and bring some more videos to you. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.